So, I am in Sebastian.
Big Bastion. Big Bastion.
Okay. I'm in that car. I'm in the car with Jalen. And we are in Sebastian, which she calls Big Bash.
Big Bastion.
She calls him Big Bastion. Anyway, we're on our way to the gym. And Mama's going to work out. And Jalen's going to work out. So are you going to help me along and give me some good exercises for a mother to do?
Anybody can do.
Anybody can do it? Okay. Let's go. Let's go!
Big Bastion doesn't go anywhere unless you put your seatbelt on.
Oh, okay.
Safety first.
Safety first. Click it or ticket. Jalen down a little bit.
No, you're not. You're doing really good.
On our way to the track to speed walk, so we'll take you along. Hey guys, so we are back home. We stayed at the gym for about an hour. I think about 50 minutes, I guess. And I did okay. I lasted. I got tired with the knee ups. I'm not sure what they're called. I got tired with those and something else. Well, a couple things actually I got tired with because I don't exercise that often. So, but I did okay. I did pretty good. How did I do, Jayla?
You did great. So proud of you.
Really? Okay, well, that's good. And she did really well, of course. So,
That's not fair.
All right, guys. See y'all next time. So me and Jalen are eating now, and we have steak and green beans and rice. I like mine's mixed up some. I have rice and then the steak. I put some Mandarin teriyaki sauce on mine, and also have the green beans. Those are two different kind of green beans. Those are the steamable mixed with some I made yesterday. We had a cookout yesterday, so the steak and some of the green beans were from yesterday, and I just mixed those up. But we're about to eat. So we're on our way to his doctor's appointment. Isaiah says hi. But anyway, we on our way. We had some company over the other day and we had barbecued, and I made a peach dump cake. Y'all, if you sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon over your peach dump cake and have this vanilla bean ice cream, oh my lord, it is so good. So good. It is time to vacuum out the car because it has been just, I do not like the car being, it's not nasty, but it just needs vacuuming out. And this is what I'm using for the inside to clean, like the dash and the gear shift and just everywhere. The cleaning wipes, and then I have the protectant wipes and the glass wipes. And it came in a packet. It was cheaper to get them all three together, so I just went ahead and got all of them in a pack, and I'm gonna get started. So I got the trunk clean, got it vacuumed out and everything. So on to the inside. I'm using this cleaner first, like I said, the cleaning wipes. So what you want to do first is get down with a toothbrush and loosen all of those little crumbs and different particles from the cracks. That's the first thing you want to do. And also by the gear shift. Get in there. And then in the gear shift and get in there. And then I'll come back with the damp cleaning cloth and get all that stuff out. So Lord, when you share a car, well, Chris mostly drives the other car, but getting in here, we've been transporting. This car has not been clean in a while because we've been transporting the stuff for the house in here since January. And that's when we started buying stuff. And it just has not been detailed. And then we've gone through sports season where Isaiah's been getting in with cleats and not cleats, but he takes his cleats off usually, but still dirt and particles and grass and stuff was in here just from him coming off the field. And then he does change shoes, but then the other shoes are like walking around shoes around the field and stuff. So stuff still gets in here. And then just the regular wear and tear dirtiness from just using it, period. So yeah, I am going to finish the cracks with this toothbrush, this old toothbrush, and then I'm going to clean it with the cleansing cloths. This car was overdue for a detail cleaning. Like I said, it's not nasty, but it was overdue. So I got my cleaning wipe. And just gonna clean all the surfaces. So now I'm using these Armor All protectant wipes to give it a shine and a coating. So I'm gonna put that all over the dash and all over everything to shine it up. All right, and in the trunk, you guys, I have this pretty periwinkle bag. My sister-in-law gave this to me, and I didn't have anything to match it. And she was getting rid of some things, and my house is full. I don't have any room for anything. Plus, I couldn't use it, unfortunately, for like to wear it with an outfit. So I said, let me put it in my car because I love pretty things and I don't want things sliding around in my trunk. So I found a good use for it. I have some black flat shoes for when I'm out somewhere and you need some flat shoes, I have them in this bag. So I didn't want to dirty up this bag. But I also have some little slippers for like when you go over people's house and they don't want you to wear shoes in the house. And then I have some screwdrivers if you need them, you know, broke down or something. They were just at the Dollar Tree, so y'all, I got them. And then I have a tape measure. I'll probably take that back in the house. But you never know what you'll need when you're out, so I got it. And then I have some chips. And then I have these glasses. I'm going to take these in, though, because, well, no, I'm going to leave these in the trunk. Because sometimes we go and shoot, and you might need those for eye protection. And then, what else do I have? I'm going to put a water in here. I'm going to put a couple of waters in here and a blanket. One of those little small throw blankets. Because we needed one the other day, and we did not have it. It was cold and rainy the other day at Isaiah's game, and we needed it. And then also, I have my Armor All here. So I just like to keep everything all nice and out of the way and be cute at the same time. How about that? But anyway, put it right there in the crook of the trunk, and it's easy to get to. And the trunk is clean. So the inside of the car is clean. We do have to get some new mats because this mat over here has a hole in it. But the inside of the car is all vacuumed out, and I've wiped out the little nooks and crannies and everything with the protectant and stuff. And it smells good because I put, oh shoot, I got one of these Febreze small spaces. This is the berries. It's like strawberry, blackberry, raspberry scent, all the berry scents. It smells good. I just got this in a pinch because I was at the store and I saw it. But I'm still on the look for a real good air freshener. I'm going back to the Bath and Body Works and get my eucalyptus spearmint because I love that. But I love to switch up also. So anyway, I got this. Now I got to just put it somewhere out of sight, probably under the seat. And the car is good to go. I got to wipe down the outside. My husband will probably wash it. But yeah, I just wanted to get it all clean and detailed on the inside. So you guys, there were a couple of things that I did have to end up putting in the trunk. When I went back in the garage, I saw all this stuff. But I put a black towel in here just in case I needed a towel out somewhere. It's kind of microfiber-ish. And then I have this real huge trash bag in case I like have to go to Home Depot or we have to go somewhere we have to haul something in the trunk. This spreads out really wide and you won't have to mess up the trunk again. So I'm just gonna put it like up under here on this side. And then I have this pillow. I sit on it sometimes because this car is like a sports seating, kind of sits down a little bit. And I like to sit up higher and see the road better, so I put that in there too. I just got finished cleaning the car and I am too tired, but I am starving. So I'm going to sit in this recliner. I am going to drink my Plexus Slim drink, eat my salad, and I'm going to catch up on some videos.